At this year's Salone del Mobile, we wanted to work together with UVA on creating an installation that really makes you think about the future of interior design, the future of being connected with your car. What we did with the new interior of the Mini is to create a new interface that gives you a transfer of functional details but also the mood lighting. And the installation with UVA gave us this opportunity to take the iconic design of the interior and translate it into a revolutionary installation.
Parallels talks about our relationship with technology has been developed the last 50 or so years, since Alan Turing or Vannevar Bush, which describe how they envision this relationship between us and technology will evolve and how our devices will augment our intelligence or supplement our memory.
You know, we use technology, we use our phones, and it becomes like a seamless experience. What we've created is a space that kind of adapts to people's behavior.
It's something very simple in a way. The effect relies on the precision of the ring. So the ring was machined, then milled into the right angle and then polished in order to be able to project a real consistent cylinder of light.
It's not quite tangible, but it has an extraordinary physical presence. But at the same time, you know, these are mediums that make up the world around us. It's just that they're invisible. They work in waves and photons and particles. So our materials are they're invisible really. So it's very much about making kind of invisible visible.